guys, clearly my hair is at a weird growing stage, so I made a wig a few weeks ago. I was super excited to wear it, and as soon as I stepped outside in public, I realized that my hair is 2 different tones. So today I'm gonna fix that problem. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just bleach the knots so you don't see all those little black dots, and then see, like, it looks good, but the top is natural black, and then the rest of the hair is jet black, so. Oh yeah, Smokey! This is all of the ingredients that I have, and this stuff over here came with this box, which is in the color jet black. I'm not sure if I should bleach this first or color it first, or at the same time. I think I should bleach it first. So just pause this little step. I literally don't know what I'm doing. This is less of a tutorial and more of a like, let's see what happens. Is it supposed to look like that? I want to say it's supposed to look pasty. We'll see. See all those little black dots? Oh, this makes me nervous. Well, WikiHow says for 15 minutes, so we're gonna try 15 minutes. All right, so this is looking a little pasty. I think it looks ready. Looks a little toasted, so I think it's time to rinse it out. Okay, so round 2. The first time it was still a lot of little dots. So I just went ahead and put it on for another 15 minutes, so let's see if that helped my hair. Let this sit for about 30 minutes. This is exactly what I didn't want to happen. But that's okay. We're gonna see if some of it rinses out, and I'll probably just bleach over that again. Because, yeah, but it's looking good so far. I have to, okay, we're good. Anyways, it's been 30 minutes. Yes, I'm a Hannah Montana brush. What is up? Be so cute. Don't know why. Just thanks for watching. Usually I would tape it down or glue it or something, but I want to go to bed. So thanks for watching. This is less of a tutorial, more showing you attempts to color my wig and customize it. I think it turned out pretty good. I could have straightened it more, but like I said, I want to go to bed. But let me know if you guys liked this, if you have more suggestions on how to make this look even better. Because obviously I kind of colored the lace on accident with the dark coloring and stuff. So that was not on purpose, but that happened. I'm gonna go back and just like bleach it off camera another day. But yeah, it'd be fun just to change up your hairstyle. It was cheaper for me to make my wig, and customizing it was pretty fun. Took a few hours, but it was fun, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to say hello. I'm like moving around a lot. I just feel very like flowy. Yeah, bye.